Alright, so the first thing we want to do is open the website. So let's do that here real quick. Okay, here we are after we've logged into the WordPress login. And we can see right here that we have, just your typical WordPress stuff right here. And so what we want to do is come over here to the plugins. And then when you come in here, let's see if we have it installed right here. We don't. So what we want to do is come over here to add new. I just want to make sure that we're not reinstalling a plugin that's here. Usually it'll tell us if it's logged or if it's already added to the program. But what we want to do is we want to type in Google AdWords remarketing. And then we want to look for the purple one. So we scroll down, you see this purple one right here, it's kind of red, purple, whatever. What you want to do is click on this install now. We like this one because it's super, super simple. There's like nothing to do right here. So then what we want to do is we can activate it and we're ready to go. And I'm going to show you where this goes once it's activated. Alright, so once it's activated right here, you can come over here under settings and you're going to see the Google AdWords remarketing right here. And it's simply a box. And then save the settings. So what you want to do in this box right here is you want to go over here to, remember over here we are under the list clients right here under the view or edit. What we want to do right here, and you can see how it's under review because we just submitted it for review. What we want to do is come over here to the retargeting groups, and what you're going to see is that the roofs are us now is automatically created with a retargeting group right here. And we can view the tags right here, but what we want to get is this GTM tag right here. And so we're going to grab this whole GTM tag, everything that's in red right here. You can also copy it to the clipboard right here. And we can come back over to this area and we can paste it right over that little text right there for putting it into the right place. So now we can save the changes right here. And we are good to go. So now let's go back over to the Traffic Oxygen. And we're going to test to see if this is installed properly. Now let me show you how to do that. Alright, so what we can do is we can check this in a couple of different places. So while we're right here, now that we just got it installed, what we can do is I'm going to shrink this left column right here just because the video is kind of small. There's an Actions drop-down button right here. And you can't really see it. I'm going to scoot this over a little bit right here so you can see it. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit so you can see. And we're going to verify that the GTM is installed. So it's simply you just click on Actions, Verify GTM. And you can see up here, it's going to check on here, and it's going to show that both of them are installed properly. Now, another place that you can check this, let me rearrange the window again. So another place that you can check it is just automatically by going to List Clients. And if you click on View or Edit, whatever yours says right here, I believe it says View. You can see up here it's checking it right here automatically, and we can see that the landing page was installed properly and the conversion page was installed properly. Alright, so that was an example of how to install it on WordPress. Let's take a look at what it looks like if we want to install it in a basic HTML website. So what we see right here on the left side is the HTML code, and on the right side is the corresponding website that it looks like when it's rendered. So if you were to go over to the code on a website, you're going to see a couple of things at the top here where it says HTML, then head. Inside the head, you're going to have a whole bunch of things in here. That's where you declare all the CSS and JavaScript and all that stuff. And then where we want to put our code is right after the opening body code. So you can see that the entire body of the website is contained within these two tags right here. And so what you're going to want to do is put it right below, and your GTM code is going to go right after this code and just before whatever's next. So when we render this right here, you're going to see it doesn't show up on here because it's just a Google tag. And so that's how you install this on regular HTML. And I hope this gives you an idea on how you could do it in PHP and Python and different other types of platforms that you might be using too. Hope this helps.